going to breakfast at Baby Stacks, my most favoriteest place in the whole entire universe. So I can get some lovely red velvet pancakes and some omelettos. And then we're going to the Hoover Dam today as well. I've been there a few times, but they haven't. So, you know, that's what we're doing. Got my red velvet pancakes. So delicious. We have here. What the heck even happened? Krispy Kremes. So we made it to the Hoover Dam and we're doing the like skywalk thing first. So we are on our way there now. Welcome to Nevada, the Pacific time zone. Now we're headed off. What?
Do they record us?
Yeah, I bet. Now we're headed off onto the bridge. Where was the camera? We've made it to the Hoover Dam Bridge. It's been here before, but it's never been this pretty. It looks so beautiful.
Can you get a picture of me standing in front of that sign? Right now. Like their hats and stuff?
I'm pretty sure I am melted. It's like 100 degrees out here.
It's not like it is 100.
Yeah, it probably is 100. Anyways, now we are going down to the Hoover Dam. So that will be lovely. What's going on?
I got a pit problem.
A little sweaty. We made it to the Hoover Dam. Oh, do you want me to take it?
Oh yeah, that would be great.
So we've made it to the Hoover Dam, as you can see behind me. I've come here a bunch of times and I've vlogged it twice, I think, but this is it looking down. Whoa, look at how scary that is. Then we were way up there on that bridge. I know the turning. It is so cool.
Hot cement.
Not cool.
No, it's not that cool, is it?
No,
Is
it's
it,
not
Padre?
cool today.
It's not cool. It's cool, but it's not cool.
It's hot outside. Hot.
Emmy wishes it was a little bit warmer, but that's all right. Look at how nice the water looks. I want to just jump in.
Dive on in. That's what I want to do. Would I die if I jumped?
Yep.
How deep?
To assist these future visitors, the sculpture also created a celestial watch.
Shoot. Shadow. Dang it. Shadow.
It is so freaking hot outside. We're dying. It is not a fun time. I've never been here when it's been this hot. I'm literally like trying to get this off. Yeah, we're soaked. So we're going to Albertsons and then going back to Vegas to get some lovely, delicious lunch, probably. Okay. So we're headed to Slopzilla to do the zip line. I don't know if I'm going to be able to bring this camera on there, but if I can, then you'll see me ziplining, and if I can't, then you'll see me ziplining from below because Padre will be in charge of my video. These are super sour.
You got Jones cheesecake?
Okay, this is Padre. We're on Fremont Street. We're waiting for Caitlin and the girls to go down the slip line, the Slotzilla. This won't be as good as what Caitlin usually does, but hey, whatever. Here they come, I think.
Done with Slotzilla. It was so much fun. The snap at the end though was not so much fun. But anyways, we're headed back to the hotel now. So we're leaving.
Hands are angry, I guys.
Yeah, we're gonna come down swimming. Wanna have some of We'll have to catch it again.
Knock that off your bucket list.
Yeah. We're at Wahlburgers. I kind of want to get that shot glass. Look it, originally from Dorchester. That's so funny.
Yeah, she said it.
Vegas at night. It's so beautiful. Had to get one last Fat Tuesdays. Here it goes. The Caesar Forum shops, going to get something, cheesecakes. That's what we're going to get. Going to get lovely cheesecakes. I've had a few too many. I only had one, but I drank it all by myself. Not a good idea. I wouldn't recommend it. Anyways, moving on. We're going to H&M. My eyes are squinty. We're going up in the lovely glass elevator. I feel like Charlie in the chocolate factory. Oh. Oh, it's this way, Kate. Oh my god. We're stuck. Me too. Look at my new boyfriend, you guys. Maybe he'll love me. There's a celebrity in the Christian Louboutin store. Clearly. You guys, so we just walked by the Christian Louboutin store and there's a huge crowd outside, right? I'm thinking it's J-Lo. I'm getting excited. I asked some guy who's in there, Floyd Mayweather. I don't care. I'm going home. Bye. I don't freaking care. I don't know. Who the heck's Floyd Mayweather? Is he a footballer?
No, it's
what is he?
I don't know.
I don't know who Floyd.
It's a group. It's a group.
It's not a group.
But there was more than one guy.
Yeah, but that was his security.
What is it?
Floyd Mayweather? Who the heck is that? He sounds familiar. I've known the name, but I don't know who it is.
Mayweather?
I thought it was JLo. I was so excited to meet her, and then I just got let down. I came up to the wedding chapel to see the lovely wedding, and it's closed. You can't even see the lovely chapel, and I wanted to. What if I wanted to marry my alcohol here? Oh, lights on. You guys, it's almost midnight. I should be going to bed, but I don't want to leave Vegas because I love Vegas. I used to live here in my life. Look it. Can you guys see out there? Or can you just see me? There, now you can see it, right? Look at how beautiful this city is. I miss it. I'm gonna miss it, you guys.
I'm just really loving this new filter. Really makes me look great. We just went to Baby Stacks and Mother got stuck on the blinds and I had to unhitch her. Talk about embarrassing. Let's make sure all of our cords are... Yeah, Grace. Let's make sure all of our cords are together. 4,000 quarters. How much is that? Hey Grace, my fur curves!
We're having a nice, lovely stroll down the Las Vegas Strip with my lovely Fat Tuesdays. It's almost out. Oh.
Got another Fat Tuesdays with a shot added. Maybe oats be ever in my favor.
You guys, Floyd Mayweather is at the Christian Louboutin store. Who the hell is Floyd Mayweather? I don't care. I thought it was JLo. I was so excited.
We came back to Auntie's room, and she's sleeping with a neck pillow on her face. What is happening?